Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, if x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus ax squared minus bx plus 16 is equal to 0 has positive real roots, then find a minus b. Let p, q, r and s be the roots of the equation. Then p plus q plus r plus s is equal to 8 and pqrs is equal to 16. Now this happens only when p is equal to q is equal to r is equal to s is equal to 2. The arithmetic mean is equal to the geometric mean. This is possible only when all the numbers are equal. So, A is equal to PQ plus PR plus PS plus QR plus QS plus RA. So this is equal to 2 into 2, and since this is 6 times, so 2 into 2 into 6, so this is equal to 24. And B equal to PQR plus PQS plus PRS plus QRS. So this is 2 into 2 into 2, and since this is there 4 times, so we need to multiply it with 4. So this gives us 32. So the value of A minus B is 24 minus 32 is equal to minus 8. The next question is, a regular polygon has an even number of sides. If the product of the length of its sides and the distance between two opposite sides is 1/4 of its area, then find the number of sides it has. Now since it has even number of sides, so let the number of sides be equal to 2n. Let the length of the side be s and the length of the perpendicular from the center to each side. So perpendicular from center to each side BP. Now since the number of sides is even, the opposite sides will be parallel. So opposite sides will be parallel, and the distance between any two opposite sides is equal to P. So the distance between opposite sides is equal to 2 into P. And the area of the polygon would be 2n into s into P by 2. Now, according to the question, s into 2p is equal to a by 4, or sp is equal to a by 8. Therefore, From this we get capital A is equal to N into capital A by 8. Equals 1. So from here we get N is equal to 8 or 2N is equal to 16. So number of sides is 16, that is option D.